Hey guys, welcome to my channel Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare Redmi Note 7 and Redmi Note 6 Pro. If we talk about the display, Redmi Note 7 has 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS display, and other side Note 6 Pro has 6.2-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. Let's see the difference in front camera. Note 7 has 13 megapixel front camera and Note 6 Pro has 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera. Let's give a look on RAM and storage. Note 7 has two options in RAM, 3GB and 4GB, and also you will get two options in storage, 32GB and 64GB. Other side you will get three options in RAM, 3GB, 4GB and 6GB, and you will get two options in storage, 32GB and 64GB. If we talk about the back camera, you can see here a big difference. Note 7 has 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, and other side you will get just 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera. Now we talk about the processor and chipset. Note 7 has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 660 chipset, and other side Redmi Note 6 Pro has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 636 chipset. Let's give a look on some other specification. Note 7 has Adreno 9.0 Pi, and other side Note 6 Pro has Adreno 8.1, and both have a Bluetooth 5 and 4G. Now talk about the GPU. Note 7 has Adreno 512 GPU, and other side Note 6 Pro has Adreno 509 GPU, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back, and you will get a dual SIM option in both. And now talk about the battery. Note 7 has 4000 milliampere battery with fast battery charging, and other side you will get 4000 milliampere battery. It's just a normal charging. Now talk about the price. Note 7 has a 150 in US dollar and 10,000 in India rupees, and other side Note 6 Pro has 220 in US dollar and 16,000 in India rupees. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.